Are you tired of high energy bills and don't know why? It might be time to take a closer look at your duct system. Did you know that sealing those invisible holes in your commercial ductwork can lead to significant energy savings? It's true. A simple 25% leakage seal can result in an astounding 50% reduction in your energy costs. That's why the Department of Energy is recommending this for all residential and commercial buildings. Best of all, it's a non-invasive, non-demolition way to lower your utility bills. At Mr. Duct Cleaner, we specialize in identifying and sealing those hidden leaks, ensuring your system runs efficiently. Don't let those high bills drain your bank account any longer. Contact us today for a free estimate. Let's work together to make your home or business more energy efficient. Mr. Duct Cleaner, where clean and sealed ducts lead to savings. Visit us online at mrductcleaner.com or call us at 844-444-DUCT. We'll have your ducts cleaned and sealed in no time.